Welcome to Insider, your ultimate guide to Microsoft 365. As an insider, you unlock free access to continuously updated guides to get you up to speed in Microsoft 365. You'll start with the basics, such as creating and managing teams, where you'll find easy to follow steps and images. As you progress, you'll move on to more advanced techniques, such as installing Copilot Pro, performing security audits, and also learning the latest tips and tricks, like how to stay online in Microsoft Teams, how to test your audio and video before a meeting, and much more. And with Insider Premium, you gain access to our dedicated Microsoft 365 help desk, connecting you to an expert support team. So if you're ready to start your journey with up-to-date guides, easy to follow steps, and the latest tips and tricks, then join the insiders today.